This video will show you how to add text box in CapCut PC. Click on the text section. Click on a small plus to add text. Write any text you want in the black box. Right below it, you can choose a font or set the text size. Scroll down a bit until you find the background checkbox. Check it and choose wide or narrow box around the text. You can change the color a little lower. Here you will also find the rounding of the sides or setting the height and width of the box. I also recommend going to the animation section and setting some effects to make the text appear and disappear, which will keep the audience attention. It's nice to click through it a bit and find the effects you like the most and use them. Let's go back to the basics where we'll show you how to let the box appear gradually. Drop the opacity to 0 on the timeline set to the moment when our introductory effect ends and create a keyframe. Now we will move a little to the right on the timeline and set the opacity to 100%. This will automatically create a new keyframe and also an effect where a box will gradually appear around the text. Using the same principle, we can change the box color. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.